Good morning or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Mike Van Duzy with the Keep On Growing Podcast, and I just want to come on and say, first off, thank you very much for everyone who's watched the last three videos, the continuous harvest system, the little series. The first one was crack key hydroponics, and then we had the one about tomatoes and peppers, and then the actual continuous harvest system where we talk about growing greens and doing it over and over again. And I think that kind of just sums up everything. And I really enjoyed doing that. And I put it at the top of my channel. So there's a playlist. And I did that for basically like all the new people because every single month there's tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of unique viewers that come to this channel who's never seen us before. And a lot of those people have never even heard of hydroponics. So lots of people ask basic questions. So I wanted to put something right up front, right up top, so that when the new people come around, they have somewhere to go and they won't be too confused looking through over 400 videos. So I'm trying to get the channel organized, but I also want to just be able to come on here and just talk with y'all. So that's why I'm doing this podcast. This isn't going to be like a bunch of graphics and doing all the frilly stuff. This is when I think that there's something important that I should tell you. I'm going to come on and just tell you, and there won't be a video. And if you want to wait around for, fancy video, then you can do that. But if you just want to keep up with what's going on, then you can just listen to this because to tell the truth, I mean, there's a lot of things. I'm working on several videos at once, and we're actually working on several channels, me and my wife, at one time. So we're doing lots of things. And one thing was like the heat. Everybody's talking about the heat. So I made these. If you guys saw when we planted out the squash, I had look like a little pond. And it's, wood frame with little plastic liner on it. And that was meant to keep the containers cool. That's like the second or third grow that I've done in that. And I've grew pak choi in it and built it out, and I filmed it. It's just I haven't gotten around to edit it yet because I've been doing all of this other things. And with gardeners, the time to garden is spring, right? When things start to warm up and before it gets too hot, everybody gets out there. So we do all of our gardening, filming, and then trying to edit everything. And by the time I get around to editing it and putting it up, a lot of you are through your season already. I'm still going to do that. I'm still going to film and put out those videos, but that takes a little bit of time. And like I said, if I've got like important things to tell you, I'd like to come on here and just talk about it and convey the information with you guys. So I'll be doing that. I'll be coming on. We'll talk about that actual thing, the keeping your crops cool and everything. Once I make a video, I'll put it on the channel and categorize it somewhere. But as I'm doing these things, I just want to come out here and talk with you because some of you out there can understand just through audio, just through me, telling you, build something, put your container in something bigger that's going to keep it cool. And then we'll talk about the reasons why you won't have to see it. And then some people are visual where they actually have to see things and hear about it and see instructions. And that's just fine. So we'll do a little of both, but this will help me get information to you a lot quicker. And also, I'm getting older. I forget a lot of crap. It's when, something might come to me. I'm like, oh, that's, people need to hear that. And then I'll forget about it. And like 4 months later, remember again. And then it goes on the back burner. So I just, when something hits me, I'm going to come on here. I'm going to record it. I'm going to put on this podcast. If you want to listen, that's fine. If not, that's totally okay. When I was doing the hopeful headlines, I got some people commenting, oh, this isn't my stuff, and I came here for hydroponics. That's cool too. The internet is the greatest tool we have to connect with people, right? And it's the greatest thing we've had in history. And I like taking advantage of it. I don't fall into the category like everyone else, and I'm not, like 99% of the other people. I'm just my own thing. To me, I'm excited that I get to sit here and connect with you. And I never could do that before. And right now, just to get a message out and just to convey important information and to help one another, we have this fantastic tool where we can just turn it on and all of a sudden we're connected with people on the other side of the planet. It's just, it's crazy. So I'm going to make use of it. And like I said, if you guys, if it doesn't turn you on, Don't feel bad at all. I don't mind. You don't have to watch it. You don't have to listen to it. I want you guys to get the value wherever you think you need it, whatever helps you the best, wherever you can find the information, whether it's me or it's another channel or another person. You go find what's best for you. That's how it should be with everything. This thing where we're all about, me, and look at me, and we're afraid you're going to look at someone else. Let's just stop all of that and let's just try to help each other. So, if you guys enjoy it, I'm going to be popping on. Like I said, it's not going to be a regular schedule like Monday through Friday or anything. It's going to be when something pops in my head and I think you should know about it. I'm going to come on here and talk about it. It might be in the morning, it might be in the evening. And who knows, maybe if I've got all my equipment set up right, I'll just hit live and go live and talk with y'all like that too. So lots of different things going to be going on. I'm not worried about just making videos that look good for YouTube, and I'm just worried about getting information to you and helping you guys out. So get out there, live to inspire, keep on growing, be the change. We'll catch you next time.